Hey guys, I'm nisahomey. Today I'm sharing a naturally fermented, gut-friendly probiotic drink. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my small chutney grinder, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon whole black peppercorns, and I'm coarsely grinding them. Okay, now I have coarsely ground the ingredients and I'm going to keep this aside. 2 medium-sized beetroot, a small piece of ginger which I have crushed. Note that I'm using ginger with the skin. So what I've done is I have taken a small piece of ginger and lightly crushed them. 2 medium-sized carrots. I'll be peeling the carrots and the beetroot and slicing them. Into a large glass jar, I'm adding in the peeled and sliced carrots and beetroots. Add in the crushed ginger, the coarsely ground mustard seeds and black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon kala namak, also known as black salt, 2 teaspoons pink Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon raw sugar. This is entirely optional. I like to use because it helps to kickstart the fermentation process. Add in 2 liters or around 8 cups of water. Give it a good stir. Note that detailed ingredients list and other tips and tricks will be updated in the description box below this video. So please do check it out. Cover it loosely with the lid and let it sit in the sun for 2 to 3 days or until it is fermented. Fermentation times depends upon the climate of the place you are living in. Anywhere between 2 to 3 days if you are living in a tropical climate, and anywhere between 2 to 5 or up to 7 days if you're living in a cold place. So I'm going to keep it in the sun for 2 to 3 days. I have kept it in the sun for 2 days and it is now ready. Like I mentioned earlier, fermentation time will depend upon the climate of the place you live in. Fortunately, here in Kerala at this time of the year, it is quite sunny, so I got this done in 2 days. And now I'm going to strain this onto a glass jar. You can enjoy this probiotic drink chilled. You can add some ice cubes if you prefer it chilled, or you can simply enjoy it on its own. So guys, do try this healthy probiotic drink and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.